Risk Central provides a structured framework to manage, monitor, and report critical risks which are going to impact your business objectives and strategy. Our solution ensures that your operational staff, risk managers, and the executive management, they are spending their valuable time on the things that are more important to them, not on understanding how an application works. Risk Center is a low-code platform that supports configurable workflows, user-defined forms, and easy-to-configure dashboards. The solution helps to periodically measure inherent and residual risks, evaluate your control effectiveness, and carry out self-assessment too. Risk Central helps you leverage risk management more strategically to create a value-driven performance across your organization. Our APIs integrate seamlessly with third-party systems to present an unified dataset for dynamic risk reporting analysis. Risk, governance and compliance, these are very dynamic areas and the changes are constant. Regulators across the globe, they constantly keep upgrading regulations based on their experiences, market conditions and other global factors. So this puts an additional pressure on the institution to constantly align themselves with the regulatory requirements with respect to capturing information, processing and reporting. So hence the institutions, they are looking for a solution which is quickly configurable and not hard-coded. This is where a low-code solution becomes extremely helpful. It's an application that provides a graphical user interface where the programmers and developers who are developing the code, they're developing it at a very fast pace, and this reduces the traditional programming efforts. Low-code development tools provide many benefits and more people can contribute to the application development process, not just the developers. Also, these platforms help organizations in improving their agility. So it reduces the complexity of the application development process as well. Low-code platforms have two other important benefits, that is productivity and decreased cost, as it develops more applications in lesser time. Well, Risk Central was developed in English language, but from the beginning we knew that to take this platform global, we need to have multi-language support. So Risk Central was created in a way that any language can be plugged into the system and the system will start behaving in that language. In fact, we have customers where we have implemented Risk Central in French version currently. Well, Risk Central is a low-code platform. What that means is it provides a configurable form, it gives you nth-level workflows, and it has a dashboard designer. It is also developed in API-first manner. What that means is, as soon as a module comes out of development, it is already integration ready with inbound and outbound systems. Risk Central is GDPR compliant and we support multiple deployment models. We also provide implementation tools and templates to reduce your time and effort. So you can deploy Risk Central on your on-prem, on your private cloud or any public cloud as well.